So today, maglalago tayo ng Who's at the Door. Sino ang nasa pinto natin? Like, come on man. Para lang nasa probinsya, sino ang nasa pinto? Kapag may kumakatok, tapos nagtanong ka kung sino yung nasa labas at hindi sumagot, pagbubuksan mo ba? Ganun ba itong lago na to?
I don't know.
Anyway, simulan na natin. Soul, 1990. I am a psychiatric patient. Fuzzy hallucinations and voices are part of my everyday life. But lately, these hallucinations are lasting longer. Now they won't go away unless I take some medication. The boundary between reality and illusion has blurred even more and I feel increasingly trapped between them. Yun lang. Every day, people with strange faces bring me medicine. I don't even have the strength to tell if they're real or hallucinations anymore. Yet strangely, collecting Dolph is the only thing that calms my mind. I don't know why. It just feels like the only hope I have left. Oh, hindi. Bakit yung ano mo, nagpapakalma sa'yo is yung manika pa talaga, boy? If this is really a treatment, how much longer must I endure this pain? Yun lang. Ano nga sa'yo?
Your symptoms are gradually improving. After just 8 more days of treatment, you should be able to return to your normal life.
Okay.
However, if you also see strange figures inside your house, this could be a sign that your hallucinations are worsening. In such cases, immediately take your prescribed medication, or try to calm yourself quietly in your room. Hang in there just a little longer, and you'll make a full recovery.
Okay po. It's quiet now. No voices, no shadows. Should be safe to open the door at a time like this, right? I mean, di mo sure? Putek, yan na naman sa mga manika. Walang yao. Ba't ganito yung mga manika mo? Parang ito pa yung kalaban sa Toy Story, oh. Okay, ano to? I suffer from hallucinations every day. Usually I'm fine, but I need to watch out for this type of hallucinations. Those that don't disappear, those that chase me. What? Wait lang. What? Oh, wait lang po. Pwede ba tumakbo? Saan ba yun? Dito? Wait lang. Holy shit. Silip muna ako. Oh. Tao ka ba? Ano yan? What? Day 2 agad? If it's gone, I can relax. If the hallucination disappears or return to a normal, it's safe not to open the door. If the hallucination to go away, take me immediately. Ito na, oh. The doll. Fine, I'm looking for it. I'm looking for it. Please get out of my head. Yung manika, yung problema mo, boy. Pwede ba? Ito na naman. Puisit. Ayun na naman sa patay ilaw. Okay.
Hello there.
Ay! P***a mo. Boy. Hallucinations lang to. Like, come on. Malis ka. Awa na lang. Ano titignan mo? Ano? Hallucinations lang yan, man. Come on. Take medicine pala o nga, no? Sorry. Okay. Oh, day 1 agad? Mali? Okay. Mali ba yun? Okay, ito. Ay! G*** ka! Medicine! Ay na to! G*** ka! Medicine, please! G*** to! Oh, shit! Gagi! Okay, ano yun?
Breaking news. Multiple severely mutilated bodies have been discovered at a villa up in the mountains in Gyeonggi province.
Okay.
All victims were found with violent external wounds. Police are conducting search operations, considering the possibility that additional missing persons may still be alive. In particular, given the discovery of various medical instruments at the villa, investigators are focusing on the possibility that the suspect may be a practicing physician. As soon as more information becomes available, we will keep reporting on this case.
Visit, kala kong umanga nga to. The victims were severely mutilated. Who could have done such a thing and why? Oh, ito. Ay! Mo. Tao ba to? Hindi siya tao, man. Come on. Ano yan? Kumakatok ba? Hindi eh. Lutang. Wala ka namang ano. Oh. Ano? Wala ka dyan? Medicine. Come on. You're hallucinating, man. Okay. Day 1 ulit. Okay. Wala. Okay. Meron dito. Okay. Puisit yan ka na naman. Hallucinating, man. Come on. No cap. I mean, may buhok na naman sa bunganga. Okay, day 2. Nice. Tama. Tama. Ay, putik ka. Tao ka ba? Ito, may sakit. May sakit ka? May sakit eh. Meds? Sige, buksan natin. Baka racist lang tayo. Okay, ano yan? Ay! Medicine! Hindi! Mali. Okay. Day 1. Pag nagkakamali, balik tayo day 1. Okay, sige. Next. Go. Ito. Wala pa naman. Okay. Visit. Sige, pagbuksan. Tama naman. Ay, hindi. Day 2 eh. Kumatok ka? Kakatok ka ba? Okay. Sige, ano yan? Ay! Mali. I'm hallucinating na naman. Mali. It's a trap, man. Come on. Okay, lahat mali. Ito, kailangan ko ba gunting? Protektahan ang aking sarili. Ano to? CR. Hindi ko makita sa gili ko. Nakakatakot yun. Okay. Okay, I'm hallucinating, man. Come on. What? Day 1? Okay. So, hindi siya hallucinations. Hindi ko magets. Game. Mukhang hallucinations siya to. Math. That. Ikaw yung kanina eh. Oh, mali ka. Day to. Thank you. Hanggang anong day to? Dayless. Okay. Next. Ito, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tama naman. Mali. Siguro magme-medicine na ako agad neto. Okay. Medicine, mali siya. Okay. Nice! So, day 3. Nakalagpas din sa day 2 sa wakas. Oh. Ba't palapit ka sa ropes? Okay, next. Uy, what the f***? Gagawin na ng TV. Day 4, oh my god. Amuli ka ng TV, man. Kakaping hallucinations yan. Kung tagalin mo yan, delikado yan. Ano pa? Ako ba yung nag-hallucinate? Or ano to? Sunshine Clinic Director Somang. The name seems familiar. Could it be someone I know or just figure from my imagination? Na, ikaw na naman. Take medicine. Next! Okay, day 5. Thank God, man! Bisado ko na yung cycle. Next. Ano yan? Ano to? Ano to? Ano to? No! Get out, man! But now? Shit! Ano yan? Ano yan? Oh no. Reality and hallucination blurring together again. Nakita live the dull spoke or you just imagining. No, man. Take medicine! ASAP! Nagsalita yung manikay di. Hallucinations na yan. Day 6, thank you. Okay. Ano to? I always dream about becoming famous but now? Nah. Okay, ano to? I met Bori at bar from my place. She sang there her beautiful face. Ano to? There's something about the tone of setting insist.
Hi, how are you?
Oh man. Mag-medicine ka na, no cap. Yan. Goat! Goat! Grabing hallucinations yan, man. Kailangan din ata niyan. Next. Ano to? Ayaw ko patayin yan. Ayaw ko patayin yan. Ay! Ah! That! Ano yun? Ano yun? Hindi. Ayaw ko na tignan. Day 8. Ano yung umiikot na ulo na yun? Come on. Next. Visit ka. Ano itong sleepers? Okay. Siya pa rin. Naman. Hallucinations. Feeling ko hallucination na naman eh. Oo, hallucinations ka. Oh, nagagalit siya. Naman, hallucinating. Paano mo malalaman kung hallucinating or not? Oh, day 9, ang bilis. Sad quiet night of the usual noise hallucinations I normally hear. Okay. Oh, na! Hindi! Ba't bukas na yun? Hindi. Ano gagawin ko na dyan? O, paano ko masasagayan? Ano? 8 ng gabi. Nalapit ba ako? Cause... Oh, mayroon ba? Mayroon ba? Oh, no? Nalapit pa talaga ako? Okay. Oh, na, hindi ko to gusto. Hey! Okay. Pwede ba ako lumabas? Oh! Yes! Kalayaan! Yes! Wala na akong imahinasyon at halusinasyon. Ay! Ano yun? Ano yun? Lugagi, pinukol. Oh, hell na, hindi.
Went outside. That's impossible. Are your symptoms getting worse?
Oh, hindi. Grabe plot yan.
Please wait just a little longer. I'll come see you soon.
Hindi. Visit ka. Oh my God. Kalayaan na eh. Nice. So kung nagustuhan nyo tong part na to muna, like, comment, and subscribe. For part 2, please. Napansin ko sa analytics ko, karamihan sa inyo is hindi nakasubscribe. So please, Pakipindot na yung subscribe button dyan, tsaka yung bell button. Thank you. Buzz out. Zah!